Hello friends, if you want to make a photo slide or to make an easy video compositing in one video, you better want to go with trendy Android or iOS applications available on the web. But, if you play games like a pro or noob and want to make videos of gameplay to put it on social media or video streaming platform, you better not want to mess this up in a small screen video editors. You won't slice and cut out things from your recording or want to fix or record audio voiceover. So today I present you a video editor that make every stuff you want without any watermark or any cost. Also this won't eat your money for high graphics card and processor and also big amount of RAM. Here we go. So that is our free open source video editor. Shortcut. It's the welcome screen. So first of all we learn what's on the screen. There is a top bar located in the top of the screen that displays current project name along with program name. There is a menu bar located right under the top bar, includes several menus like file, edit, view, settings and help. Right under a toolbar is given for quick access things like open a media file, open other stuffs like color template, text template, noise icing, Lisaju plasma color bars, audio tone counting timer, audio video device such as webcam or mic or HDMI SDI devices etc. Besides that there is save button, quick undo and redo button, a peak meter, properties palette, recent items to display button, playlist button, timeline button, filters button to apply different filters, keyframes button for animation, history and job button for list of every renders done. Now the working area is divided in several parts. There is combined area for playlist where imported files listed like videos, audios, photos etc. Other palette like filters to apply on videos, export for rendering, setting and properties for see details of content. Beside it we see a window indicate to save project by name and destination. Later it becomes our preview screen window. In right there is a audio peak meter and jobs listed. And at the bottom the part is the main magic behind video editing. The timeline. It can be switchable to keyframe line where we add animation keyframes. That's it, that is the Shortcut video editor. We dive deep in next video to show how we can use tools and features of Shortcut to edit videos, add effects etc. Stay tuned. And
tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.